Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Apply a regular filter directly to a layer, and it's baked in permanently. The only way back is undo, and that window closes fast. Apply the same filter to a smart object instead, and it becomes a smart filter, listed neatly beneath the layer with its own visibility toggle. Right-click any layer and choose Convert to Smart Object first, then run filters like Gaussian Blur or Unsharp Mask as usual. Double-click the filter's name afterward to reopen its settings and adjust values anytime, even weeks later. You can also drag a mask onto the smart filter to hide it from specific areas. Once you compare the two workflows, going back to flat, permanent filters feels unnecessarily risky.